Well, friends, today I'm going to share with you a very common question and topic that we keep discussing, and I keep getting this. People ask, how do we manage the stress, anxiety, and depression in the present period of uncertainty? Now, before I actually get to answer this, I would like you to ask yourself, why does it happen? Why do we get stressed or anxious or depressed? The answer that you would get is, if you notice yourself, during those points where you are anxious, you are either in the past or in the future. You are either living in the memories or you are creating an imagination about the future. You are either fretting and fuming about the past or you are being very curious about the future. So you are not in the present moment. So right away, I gave you a hint that the antidote to this stress, anxiety, depression is to root yourself in the present moment. Now, to answer the question of how do we do that, the answer is there are ways and means how you can root yourself in the present moment. First, as you wake up, write down 10 things that you are grateful about. Your gratitude, start writing gratitude journal if you are depressed. But if not, then you can just think in your mind just 10 things that you are grateful about which are going well for you. Okay, and just imagine the sounds, the sounds, images, and feelings about those 10 things. Second is that you should have a morning ritual. Morning ritual means there are few things you should not compromise with. Okay, like start from clearing your bed and kind of readying your bed after you get up. So the first win that you create will be a small win, but the thing is that will cascade into bigger wins during the day. And other rituals like some have a fixed routine for the first 1 2 hours, at least 1 2 hours. Okay, and try to be in a framework for the entire day in terms of a routine, but don't be very fixated about it. Be flexible about it. And third and most important thing is about have a mind body soul ritual. Okay, what I mean by that, mind we all use, because of that we get depressed and stressed. So the most and the other two things are very important, body and soul. So for body you have to exercise, have some basic minimal exercise of the body, or maybe yoga or surya namaskar, whichever you can do in a limited space, because now you cannot actually be so mobile as we used to be earlier. So that is about the body and soul. Yes, please have some time for introspection. When you have nothing to do, do nothing. This is my, one of my favorite phrase which I keep using. And second is slow down to speed up. So when you slow down, you actually get awareness about yourself, about who you are, about what you're meant for, what you're supposed to do today. Okay, and life is not about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you can get hit and still keep moving forward. It's about how much you can take and still keep moving forward by either crawling or walking or running or racing. That doesn't matter. As long as you're moving forward, that's about it. And this would remind you, this would definitely, make you remember those famous quotes from Rocky Balboa. And that is one of my favorite quote. So please, friends, have a routine. To summarize, have a routine, have a ritual, have a mind body soul kind of regimen, and write gratitude journals, or at least think and visualize those things that you're grateful for, 10 things at least, and create possibilities. Every second is a possibility in life. So have that, have that very clear in your mind, that every second can give rise to a miracle in your life. And the depression, stress, and anxiety will turn into something that you can just embrace and accept and move forward. Thank you.